fuck you. It's not the driver. How the fuck is that?
Multiple units 153.
Same car.
No.
No.
Copy. Other yellow traffic. 142 stop. Go ahead. Ward and Drake, William Lincoln 4, San Made Edward. William Lincoln 4, San Made Edward. Grade Ward, vehicle 96. Ward Drake. Ward and Drake, 959.
Back of my question will hit out. We'll be there in time.
Coming around to headquarters, please. 10 o'clock. Timmy. 10 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. Restore fire 105 Southeast Richardson Place. Female civics in pain. They're requesting that we respond at 10:02.
in progress at Walmart, 1000 Northeast Sam Walton Lane, 334.
291 in place.
$155. Units from Route 201 is occurred at Walmart, 1000 Northeast Sam Walton Lane. It's going to be in row 11. A car pushed out. Black Dodge Charger, 4-door. Kansas license plate begins with a 6-3. Heading towards Independence Avenue at 10:05.
It caught fire and went back.
It caught fire. Wow.
334 Independence and 4th.
So that's the driver. That's right.
Well, that's the company owner.
Oh shit! What's the driver?
Southbound Independence, the white female with brown hair, black sweatpants, and green flip-flops.
Caught fire. How the hell?
$157 put me on the Walmart call. I'll set up here on 291 and Douglas, see if they come this way. Copy.
You want it?
Do you want this croissant? It's not sweet.
I'll try it.
It's flaky and it's good. Yes. It's really good in the middle.
Come on, Vic.
Virginia. Now you're scared to go. What the hell is it doing? Oh, big yard on that. I heard that it's good to tongue rest up this with.